Hello children, today we are going to study the subject mathematics. Lesson number 1 in maths is numbers and numeration. This is part 1 of the video. Let us do some exercises. The first exercise is count forward and fill in the blanks. This is a number. You will have to count forward and write the 5 numbers that comes after 679. So what is the next number? 679 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 680. After that 681. After that 682. Yeah. And after that comes 683. And there we have 684. So these are the 5 numbers that comes immediately after 679. Similarly, you will have to write the 5 numbers that comes after 213, and then 317, and then 870. 213 के बाद के 5 नंबर, 317 के बाद के 5 नंबर और 870 के बाद के 5 नंबर आपको यहाँ पर ब्लैंक्स में भरने हैं. Next exercise. Count backwards and fill in the blanks. There we have. The first one is given as an example. 364. You have to count backward. So you will have to write the number that comes before 364. What comes before 364? It is 363. Right. Then 362. Then 361. Right. And then there comes 360. And then 359. Similarly, for this number, you have to write 5 numbers that comes before 482, and then 5 numbers that come before 514, 5 numbers that comes before 760. Okay, let us do another exercise. Write the place value of the circle digit. There will be a number in which one of the digits will be circled. You will have to write the place value. You know the place values. The first number is the ones, and the second number is the tens, and then you have the hundreds. So ones, tens or hundreds. These are the options you will have to do. The first is given to you as an example. 672, and the digit that is circled is 7. In the number 672, the digit that is circled is 7. And what is the position? What is the value, place value of that circle digit? The place value of that circle digit is tens. Right? And then you have to do the rest. The second one, 820. 0 is the digit that is circled. You will have to write in the blank what is the place value of that digit. Right? It may be either ones or tens or 100. You have to decide. Similarly, you have to decide for this number, 367, and the circle digit is 3. Right? And then comes 465. The circle digit is 6. And then comes 793, and the circle digit here is 7. And the sixth one, 212, the circle digit here is 2 in the end. Okay, so it will be either ones, tens or hundreds. Right, let us do the next exercise. Match the number names with its numerals. It's very simple. You have to match the number names with its numerals. There we have. The first number name that is given is 412. In the numeral section you will have to find out. That is given as an example. There we have 412. That's the one. Then the rest you have to do it yourself. Where do you find among the numerals this number name? 619, 785, 413. You have to do it yourself in your notebooks. So you have to write this entire thing, and you have to draw the arrows to the respective numbers, and match the number names along with it. Okay, there we have insert smaller than, greater than, or equal to sign. Okay, this is the one that we are going to do, and you have to insert it in the circle that is given. There we have the first one, 683, and there the circle 725. So which one is greater? There you have the greater one. 725 is the greater one. Similarly, you will have to find it out yourself. 207, which one is greatest? 207 or 712? You have to put the mark. 201 or 110? 786 or 643? 202 or 202? And then we have 799 or 979. So you will have to mark the greater than or equal to sign. There we have. The next exercise, arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order means from the smaller to the bigger. Chote se bada. There we have 725. One is solved for you as an example. 725, 705, 750, 700. Which one is the smallest? The smallest one is 700. And then after this, it's 705. And then which one? 725. And lastly, it is 750. Similarly, for the rest of the series, you will have to do it yourself. You will have to write the smallest number first and then the number that precedes it. Okay? In value. 685, 386, 568 and 478. Which one is the smallest? You will have to identify and write in the first, then the bigger than the smallest, and then the bigger than that one, and then the biggest. Okay. There we have another series of number. 371, 305, 390, 300. Which one is the smallest? Another series of numbers. 599, 500, 600, 499. So छोटे से बड़ा. जो सबसे छोटा होगा वो पहले लिखेंगे और जो सबसे बड़ा होगा वो आगे. There we have another exercise. Arrange the numbers in the series in descending order. Descending order में numbers को arrange करने हैं. मतलब बड़े से छोटा. 863, 768, 900, 365. One is solved for us. Which is the biggest number here? The biggest number is 900. And after that, 863. After that comes 768. And then comes 365. So, for the rest of the numbers, you will have to find from the big number to the smallest. There we go. 613, 725, 426 and 836. You will have to write the biggest number first and then the smallest number that follows. Okay. So let us see another series. 926, 428, 600, 729. And there comes another series, that is 686, 786, 368 and 498. Let us do some homework. These are the exercises that you will have to do in your notebooks. So do all these exercises in your notebook, take a picture of it and send it to us through WhatsApp. Done? That's all for today. Goodbye and stay safe. God bless you, children.